Hey there. So today I'm going to be talking about this M24 318 high carbon steel fine line non-slipped handle. Just a nice set of needle nose pliers. It has the extra grip on the inside. It has cutters here, so you can definitely cut through wires and stuff like this. This is really good if you want to grip things like pull off insulation or something like that, or maybe tighten a wire nut. And I don't know if you can see that, but inside is some fantastic gripping teeth on this, very nice and tight. So these have a nice non-slip handle on them. It's kind of like a rubber and a plastic at the same time. You can see there. And it is just a nice set. And again, like I said, it does have the side cutting capabilities right there on the side. So, example, here's a cable that I need to redo. I'm just going to cut the end off of that. That should be no problem, like that. So there you go. It's actually a pretty clean cut. But if you're looking for a decent set of pliers that you can just use on a job site, it has a nice thin head on it. They're not too wide. It says that it's a 200 millimeter length, and I'm not sure if that is top to bottom, but you get what I'm saying. So there you go. If you're looking for a decent set of pliers, that will definitely help you out. There you go. Check them out.